In terms of the disruptive technologies, you'll hear certainly about artificial intelligence. It's difficult to have a conversation today about technology without touching upon that. But there is also other aspects of it that one has to keep in mind. In terms of the enablers, we dive quite deep into these across the world. So we understand also in terms of the enabling technologies that can make it happen. It can also be in the supporting network, whether it is related to the power technology world or whether it's related to cooling technologies, so on and so forth. So what you see at the surface as artificial intelligence has a lot of pillars just beyond the compute, right? And the infra for it.
So what we see is different entities, different dynamics that are challenging this ecosystem we are used to, and therefore strengthening supply chains, potential rising uncertainties on energy prices, energy availability, on the same for raw materials, commodities, and so on and so forth. So this is creating, of course, a lot of uncertainties and an absolute need to understand what could be future potential scenarios. And this needs to be taken into account.
We think in terms of the megatrends from this BEATS model framework, wherein we evaluate business models, economic, environmental, tech, and social perspectives. Megatrends, we popularly would analog it to, it's, for example, a telescope that is looking far out. And if something of interest comes in the field of view, you then zoom into it. So that's where we constantly look at these megatrends and how the interrelationships of these megatrends are evolving to actually try and answer the age-old question, which is it because the trend is evolving, a technology push is taking place, or is because the TRL advancement is so high, or the technology readiness level advancement is so high that a trend is evolving?
For convergence exercise, what we do is try and identify meaningful intersections that exist between these technologies. So we see how these technologies could be combined to solve future industry challenges or create completely new market opportunities. So rather than looking at each technology individually in silos, we focus on convergence, where multiple innovations sort of amplify each other's value, and the whole sum is greater than the individual parts put together. So you're looking at shortlisted convergence scenarios that are evaluated based on their probability of success, their impact on the industry within a very specific time frame, and their transformation potential. And the outcome is a set of convergence scenarios that helps the organization sort of anticipate disruption, identify new growth opportunities, and make better decisions around where to sort of build, buy, or partner in case of the existing sort of convergence scenarios, or create new opportunities from ground up.
The board and the CEO are much more technology and R&D focused today than they were even 3 years ago. And what earlier was being relegated to a CTO decision or a CIO decision is now become a CEO-driven decision.